Hello, I am Jorge Mario Paez. I am from the municipality of Arboletes, Antioquia. It is activity number 3, cause and responses to stress, from English Course 3. And inhale and exhale deeply through the mouth regulates and calms anxiety. Neck and shoulder movements are great for lowering mass or tension caused by stress. Do this every time you are stressed. A fast walk is a good way to disconnect from the problems and situations that affect our tranquility. Deep meditation not only clears the mind but also helps to better solve problems of daily life which are the ones that most affect people. Stop, stop along the way and think about what effects use to be able to find effective solution is a good example of how to solve stress. Surely counting one, two, three, etc. is a good way to lower stress and calm anxiety and other stress related problems that affect many